Like the idea of owning a Hemi-powered Cuda convertible, but don't like the idea of diving headfirst into a seven-figure investment? We've got the classic for you. A ton of time and money was spent making this brilliant bombshell one of the best Hemi tributes available. Is there a more famous high-impact color than violet metallic? As one of the most appealing hues to come out of Chrysler's hip 1970s brighter is better mindset, code FC7 purple is probably some of the most legendary paint to ever adorn classic MoPar metal. And when it's expertly applied under traditional Hemi side stripes, it's a sublime reminder just how crazy the muscle car era really was. Inside, a fully restored interior is simple, functional, and looks as good as new. High back bucket and rear bench seats show barely any signs of wear. An optional console anchors a Hurst Pistol Grip Shifter in vivid wood trim, and a warp-free dash hangs familiar Rallye gauges above a vintage Chrysler radio. Pull the pins and you'll find a 426 cubic inch Hemi that wears a famous era-correct casting number. That powerful engine is backed by a familiar A833 4-speed and a Dana 60 with posi-traction. Lovingly restored and highly accurate in every way, this brilliant Cuda is guaranteed to please even the most discerning MoPar enthusiast. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.